Ready to build your own cryptocurrency investment website and dive headfirst into the future of finance? First, you'll need a domain name that's catchy and relevant to crypto investments. Think about something memorable and easy to spell, then secure reliable hosting from a provider known for its speed and uptime. Next, decide on your website's core features. Real-time price tracking is crucial, so you'll need to integrate an API from a reputable crypto data provider. Look into options like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. Include a dedicated news and analysis section. This helps users stay informed. Curate content from trusted sources, or even create your own original analysis. User account management is a must. Allow users to create accounts, manage their profiles, and securely store their information, and implement strong security measures like two-factor authentication to protect their data. Depending on your technical expertise, you can choose a CMS like WordPress with crypto plugins or opt for custom coding. Custom coding offers more flexibility, but requires more technical skill. Don't forget the legal stuff. Research and comply with all relevant regulations regarding cryptocurrency investments in your region. Consult with legal professionals if needed. Finally, attract and engage your target audience. Implement marketing strategies like SEO, social media, and content marketing. Create valuable content that educates and empowers your users, and that's it.